It was instant combustion. We're right behind you, you know.
JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, security guard disembarked before fiery collision kills 4. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. Kamani Steele is still in shock as he remembers disembarking the Toyota Fielder death car about 15 minutes before a fiery collision along the Queens Highway in St. Anne killed 4 members of a family on Sunday morning. Steele, a security guard, looked on in disbelief as he saw the bodies arriving at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital hours after he had cheated death. What makes the event more chilling is that he remembers them discussing the probability of accidents during the journey. Me give thanks to be alive, but feel bad that everybody gone. Nobody had a chance to tell the tale, Steele said on Sunday night. Beatrice Brown, who lives in the community of Greerfield, lost 2 daughters, a granddaughter and a son-in-law in the accident. Brown said she broke down when she first heard the news. It's an awful death. Everybody feel it, she said. As friends and neighbors from Greerfield and Gibraltar District near Monique, where the crash victims lived, converged on Brown's home in a show of support, they encouraged her to pray and remain strong. Them bearing me up, you know. Them feel it, but them bearing me up, Brown said. The police reported that at about 7:50 a.m., a Toyota Fielder motor car with 4 persons on board was traveling westwards towards Trelawney when it got out of control and slammed into a Mercedes-Benz traveling in the opposite direction. The Fielder then overturned and burst into flames. 2 occupants of the car were flung from the vehicle, but 2 were trapped inside and burnt to death. The victims have been identified as sisters, Kadean Howard, 34, and Rihanna Howard, 14, along with Kadean's daughter, Jade-Ann McLean, 13, and Jason Gayle, Kadean's common-law husband. He was the driver of the ill-fated vehicle. Kadean was reportedly pregnant. Lloyd Garrick, former councillor for the Monique Division, knew Kadean well as she had worked with him during his campaign. He said he was devastated when he heard the news and prayed it wasn't her who was in the accident. When I heard of the accident, I was shocked. I was sad. I was out of my place. Even though I'm still mourning the loss of a young, talented person, Garrick said. Kadean was just a great young life that has gone too early. I'm really saddened at her passing, and I want to reach out to parents, relatives, to her friends, the community. The police believe that speeding may have contributed to the accident. Based on what we gather, the Fielder seems to have been speeding, got out of control and ran into the bends, then overturned and burst into flames. Superintendent in charge of the St. Anne Police, Carlos Russell, said intermittent showers have left road conditions along the north coast wet and slippery and may have also been a contributory factor. Russell is appealing to motorists to take extra precautions along the roads, especially during the rainy period. Jamaica's crash fatalities for 2020 are almost on par year on year. Up to November 5 this year, there were 359 crash deaths, 4 fewer than for the corresponding period in 2019. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.